Today I'll show you how to create a simple budget that actually works. Know your income. First, calculate your total monthly income. Salary, side hustle, business, add everything. Let's say you earn 30,000 Indian rupees per month. Track your expenses. Now write down all your expenses. Split them into 3 categories. Needs, rent, food, bills. Wants, shopping, eating out, Netflix. Savings and investments. Use the 50/30/20 rule. A simple formula. 50% needs. 30% wants. 20% savings. So if you earn 30,000 Indian rupees, Indian rupee 15,000 needs. Indian rupee 9,000 wants. Indian rupee 6, track and adjust. Use any budgeting app or even a notebook. Review weekly. If you overspend, adjust next month. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your life. It's about controlling your money, so it doesn't control you. Money bag. Start today. Even a simple budget can change your financial future.